that distance.
All right, it's level and in the track,
Okay,
or it's not level, but it's in the track.
And I'm holding the left side down, and you can see it rocks.
Yeah, it rocks.
It rocks to the right. Push it over here, and it's flat there, but it's got a hump right here. But if you set it on the edge, it's perfectly flat and perfectly level.
Yeah, there's no rocking.
So there's something going on with the track that it glides on that makes the window misalign on the right-hand side.
And it misaligns so much that when we're on the outside, we can see the felt that helps seal the window sticking out.
Right. On the top. On the top, looking at it from the outside on the top left.
And when we installed it, we made sure it was level and plumb.
Everything's level, everything's plumb, everything's flat. Perfectly flat, all the way across.
We put a smaller window in and we kind of rebuilt the sill and we made sure it was super level.
And everything is plumb this way. The jambs are plumb, the frame itself is plumb. The window, both sides.
Let's see the frame plumb again. I didn't really get that. Let's see, and where's that bubble? Right there. Yeah.
And here's the framing.
And here's the frame.
Although we're not even touching the framing, so.
Yeah, we're not even touching the framing.
It doesn't matter.
Well, I mean, yeah.
And this side,
Let's,
this side is the same.
where's the bubble? Right there. Yeah. All right, let's see the levelness again of the frame or of the sill.
And here's the same thing here on the left side. And that's nice and flat. And this, how about this? And this has got a little bit, a slight roll to it too, a hump. You can see I push down, I'm pushing down on the right, pushing down on the left.
And that's inside the track, right?
That's inside the track. This is not as bad as the right side.
But the frame to the window is level.
The window's level.
Again, yeah.
Let me put that. The window's level.
But
This is a new level.
Yeah.
That's our
That's the
sill.
sill.
new sill, because we reframed it.
Yeah, we reframed it.
I don't know what else to show. I don't know if you can see that.
Yeah, that shows up really well. Yeah, that is very plumb. Let's go to the outside real fast and let's close the window. I'm gonna close the window.
All the way?
Yeah.
Lock.
And so if I look up here, there is that gray furry felt that helps make the seal.
Hangs down on the left.
And it hangs down on the left. And I'll zoom out and you can see on the right it doesn't hang down, but on the left you can see that gray. And then kind of the same story. Yeah, on the left where the slider should be a little more recessed.
You want me to open it upside so you can see the
I'm sure, yeah, that'd be great.
consistency of the gap now that we changed it up.
All right, I'm gonna turn this on edge.
That's just really nice now.
Yeah, it's really uniform, really plumb. So this shows the gap even better and it's really uniform. But like I mentioned, that felt sticks out. What's the deal?
That's because we've got it shimmed at the bottom, which we shouldn't have to have done.
Yeah, we did shim it at the bottom, even though the sill is completely level. We rebuilt it perfectly level. But we did shim it, and we shimmed it because that plumbness was not there. It was very skewed. There was a big gap that was asymmetrical.
It's also now why the top is tighter on the right side than the left, the gap, because we had to shim it and move it up. It wasn't like that before.